Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can change your profile picture on Netflix. To do that, you're going to select your profile and then you're going to go to the Manage Profiles button. You're going to select whichever profile you want to change the profile picture to. I'll just do this one. Then you're going to select Edit Personal and Contact Info. Select the Edit Profile icon, like the drawing pencil button, and then you're just going to select whichever profile picture you want. There's a lot. It's different for the kids one and the normal one. So for the kids, there's the classics: Gabby's Dollhouse, Sonic Prime, The Boss Baby, Troll Hunters, The Sea Beast, Maya and the Three, Leo, Spy Kids, My Little Pony, Over the Moon. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. True and the Rainbow Kingdom, Super Monsters, Ask the Storybots, Carmen Sandiego, Lost in Space, Vivo, Pokemon Concierge. I don't know how to pronounce that properly. Transformers, The Christmas Chronicles, Our Planet, and The Crystal Age of Resistance. And to change it, you are just going to press on whichever one you want. I think I'll do, which one should I do? I'll do the cute bunny here. And then once you're done, just press save. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.